Okay, so my siblings are gonna cat daddy for you. What the heck is my brother doing?
And Dougie!
They're gonna cat daddy and Dougie for you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a puppy.
And I don't know what he just said.
Do we start?
Wait until the music starts. Okay, go. Hold on. What the frick is wrong with this thing?
Check this out, baby girl. Why don't you check out a nigga? Man, I go to work. True winner. Jeans skinny like Squidward. Looking for your girl. Just missed it. Then my cat daddy and I took her down. Timber. When it's cold, mama call it winter. Swisher full of nuggets, daddy call it dinner. Baby got ass, Shelty call it dinners. BS Jack says get it with the liver. Cat daddy when I dug it, cat daddy when I remember. Competition, see the crease, they surrender. Smoking wide clef kush, now I'm going to the river. Move your arms like you wheelchair study. Drop low, grab your shoulder like you fucker. 10 power 106 to bang that shit. Beat up to my bro Sam, he the king.
That was my sister and her little awkward dancing. Woohoo!